Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome back to Miss Mia's class. How's life today? I wish you all are fine. The discussion in this video is procedure text. Do you know what is procedure text? Yeah, procedure text is a text that shows us how to make something or to do something. Prosedur text adalah teks yang menunjukkan kita bagaimana cara membuat sesuatu atau melakukan sesuatu. Procedure text can be recipes or instruction manual. For example, procedure text in recipes can be a recipe how to make a cup of coffee, how to make a delicious Korean chicken wings, and how to make boba drink. Meanwhile, the example of procedure text in instruction manual are the manual guide of smartphone, how to use DSLR camera, and how to create a social media account. Now, let's have a deep look at the example of procedure text in recipe. How to make a cup of coffee. The ingredients that we need are water, 2 spoons of sugar, 2 spoons of coffee powder, and tools that we need are a cup, a spoon, and a kettle. If the ingredients and the tools that we need are ready, please follow the steps. Firstly, boil the water. Secondly, take 2 spoons of sugar and 2 spoons of coffee powder and put them into the glass. Next, pour the boiling water into the cup. Then, stir it evenly. And finally, your coffee is ready to drink. Now, let's learn the parts of procedure text based on the example. Sekarang, mari kita pelajari bagian-bagian teks prosedur. Yang pertama, bagian goal atau tujuan. Contohnya seperti yang tadi, how to make a cup of coffee. Bagian yang kedua, yaitu ingredients atau bahan-bahan. Dan bagian yang ketiga, yaitu tools atau alat-alat yang dibutuhkan. Dan yang terakhir adalah steps atau urutan langkah-langkah yang harus dilaksanakan. And I have a question for you. Why we should understand a procedure text or recipe in making a dish or beverage? Yap, to get the best result. Kenapa kita perlu memahami sebuah teks prosedur? Yaitu agar mendapatkan hasil terbaik. The next discussion is language features of procedure text. Ciri-ciri kebahasaan teks prosedur. Procedure text is a chain of instructions, so that it uses imperative sentences. Procedure text berisi rangkaian instruksi atau perintah, yaitu pada bagian steps. Oleh karena itu, teks prosedur menggunakan imperative sentence atau kalimat perintah, yaitu setiap kalimat perintah diawali oleh kata kerja. For example, pour the boiling water into the cup. Stir it evenly. Put the sugar and coffee powder into the cup. Heat the water. The second language feature is connectives. Serangkaian kegiatan dalam teks prosedur harus berurutan. Oleh karena itu, teks prosedur menggunakan kata penghubung antara satu kegiatan dengan kegiatan lainnya. For example, firstly artinya pertama, secondly kedua, thirdly ketiga, then kemudian, after that setelah itu, finally terakhir, dan lain sebagainya. And next, the third language feature of procedure text is adverb atau kata keterangan. Adverbs describe the time or the manner of an activity. Adverb atau kata keterangan memberikan keterangan waktu atau keterangan cara dari sebuah kegiatan. For example, press the dough in 30 minutes. Diamkan adonannya selama 30 menit. Stir the drink evenly. Aduk minumannya sampai tercampur rata. Well, students, that is all the explanation about procedure text in recipes. The next discussion will be about procedure text in instruction manual. To end this lesson, say Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you so much and see you on next video.